I've had this Vitamix for years upon years upon years. This thing, you can see, look at the state of this jug. It's taken a beating, but it's still going strong. These things are built to last, and that's not something you can say for everything. It's very easy to cheap out and buy something that's going to burn out after 3 months. But when you're buying something like this, I always recommend buying a Vitamix if you're looking for a premium blender that's going to last. And we do all kinds of things with the Vitamix. We've also got the Ninja, but we're not talking about him right now. But with the Vitamix, you can make your own nut milk. You can do so much with it. It's so versatile and so powerful. The only downside I would say is that you can see that there is no lid on this jug. There is no kind of safety element that stops it from starting. So if it's plugged in and I just turn this on, so the Ninja doesn't do that. If I put my hand in there, of course I wouldn't do that, but just that safety element, I'm not sure why it's not there, why that isn't a thing. This just comes up. Of course, the blade is not attached. The blade is attached to the jug and not the actual unit. So it's not too much of an issue. But as I said, I've used this thing. This is me looking for problems because I've used this thing for so long. It's never been an issue. It's always remained very powerful. But this thing is amazing. It's a beast of a blender. I actually don't just want to call it a blender because it can do so much more and it's so powerful. So if you're on the market for a Vitamix, there are newer ones available. I definitely recommend. And yeah, that's my honest take.